Namaskar, my name is Sonia Singha. Today, in my this session, I am going to talk about very simple breathing techniques. The first one, which I am going to tell you, is pursed lip breathing. Very simple breathing technique that makes you slow down your pace of breathing by having you apply deliberate effort in each breath. You can practice this breathing exercise at any time. It may be especially useful during activities such as bending, lifting, or stair climbing. So, practice using this. Breathe 4 to 5 times a day when you begin in order to correctly learn the breathing pattern. So, to do this, I just tell you how to relax your neck and shoulders. The first step is, just try to relax. So I'll just do it, and so that you can just follow me. First is just relax your neck and shoulders. Now, keeping your mouth closed, inhale slowly through your nose for 2 counts. Okay, let me just do it. Relax. Now, keeping your mouth closed, inhale through your nose. Now, purse your lips as though you are going to whistle. Exhale slowly by blowing air through your pursed lips for a count of 4 or 5. I'll just try to explain one more time. Relax your neck and shoulders. Now, close your mouth. Inhale slowly through your nose for 2 counts. Purse your lips. Exhale slowly by blowing air through your pursed lips for a count of 4. It will really help you to reduce anxiety, panic, depression if you do it on regular basis. Okay. So now the second technique which I am going to tell is alternate nostril breathing. This is known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayam in Sanskrit. Best practiced on an empty stomach, and avoid the practice if you are feeling sick or congested. Keep your breath smooth and even throughout the practice. So let me just explain how we do this. Choose any comfortable seated position. Lift up your right hand toward your nose. Now, pressing your first and middle fingers down towards your palm and leaving your other fingers extended. Okay? So after an exhale, use your right thumb to gently close your right nostril. Now, inhale through your left nostril and then close your left nostril with your right pinky and ring fingers. Now, I'll just try to inhale through my left nostril, okay? And then close with my ring fingers. And now release my thumb and exhale out through my right nostril. Now inhale through your right nostril and then close this nostril. Release your fingers to open your left nostril and exhale through this side. This is one cycle. You can continue this breathing pattern for up to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but finish your session with an exhale on the left side. As I'm recording, so you might be seeing like my right hand as my left hand, so don't get confused and just follow the way I'm telling you. Now the third one which I'm going to tell, it is equal breathing. Now I will explain how to do this. Again, choose a comfortable seated position. Breathe in and out through your nose. Count during each inhale and exhale to make sure they are even in duration. Alternatively, choose a word or short phrase to repeat during each inhale and exhale. You can add a slight pause or breath retention after each inhale and exhale if you feel comfortable. Okay, so let me just do it for you. Again, sitting in a very comfortable position. Breathe in and out through nose. You can count during inhale and exhale like exhale, so continue practicing this breath for at least 5 minutes every day. I am sure this will really help you to reduce and calm down. Thank you so much. Please try to do it on regular basis. It will really help you to reduce your stress, anxiety, in fact symptoms of depression. Some people they might be suffering from. Thank you so much. Om Namah Shivaya.